iOS 18.5 top 5 new features in this video. Let's begin. What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe, and in today's video, iOS 18.5 is out, and I will show you the top 5 new features in this operating system. So, if you want to update, this video will tell you is it worth it or not. Let's begin. First of all, before we continue, summer is coming and you are planning to travel. Well, travel accessories are very important, especially these ones. This is the Apollo battery case, and this is the Apollo power battery, which is an 8-in-1 portable charger and 10,000 milliamp battery. And so is this a 10,000 milliamp battery. Now what happens is you put your phone into this case, it charges your phone. 10,000 milliamps will get an iPhone 16 Pro Max charged up maybe 2 times. Additionally, you can charge your phone wirelessly via MagSafe over here. And the Non Plus Ultra is that you can charge the case wirelessly as well. So if you put your phone into this case, then place it on a wireless charger or MagSafe charger, you will have your phone and the case fully charged, always ready to go. For the power battery, this is an 8-in-1 charger. You see, this is a wireless MagSafe charger on this side, and you have an Apple Watch charger on this side. Here you have a USB-C, USB-A, and another USB-A. Here you have a Lightning and a USB-C cable, and if you counted, that was only 7. Well, here is the extra feature. You can slide it apart, and here you have a USB-C charger. Now, you might see that this one is with a European plug. Well, that's just an adapter, because here is your American plug, so you can charge it wherever you go. You can plug this into the wall, charge your laptop from here, and 7 other devices here. Or you can just put the two together, plug it into the wall. This can charge your laptop, your phone, your anything, and you can attach 7 different devices. And if you're traveling, you just close this up, put on the adapter, and you're ready to go. Apollo power battery, check it out on bestiphoneaccessories.com. Both products are available in limited amounts, so be quick on getting them. Get ready for the summer, get ready for bestiphoneaccessories.com. Alrighty, so here we are, iOS 18.5. In this update, as you can see, one of the new features is the wallpaper. We have a new Pride wallpaper, which is actually pretty cool. If you are not one of those people who would like a Pride wallpaper, well, don't worry, because this is actually a really cool, just general wallpaper. So this is how it looks on your lock screen. When you turn off your phone, it goes into this style, so like this wire style. And then if you unlock your phone, then you see the animation on what happened and how it happens. It's pretty cool. So your wallpaper is this, and every time you lock your phone and unlock your phone, it's a totally different style, so it changes. It's a dynamic wallpaper. This is really cool. Apple usually includes these Pride wallpapers in the 0.5 updates. It's here, it's cool. You can get your wallpaper if you go into settings, and in settings, you go to wallpapers, and in wallpapers, you click add new wallpaper, go down and go to the Pride section, and in the Pride section is going to be the first one. Now, iOS 18.5 does not bring significant updates, but one small update that is worth mentioning is with the screen time app. So if you have a child and you do limit their screen time, then you have a password set for them that they cannot, bypass. If they try to bypass it, or if they put in a code, you will automatically get a notification in your phone that your child tried to access screen time out of their allowance, out of their restricted time. Try to unlock it. You will get every notification, so you can monitor fully on when they use their phone and how they use their phone. The Mail app did get a small update as well. As you can see over here, we can see the contact photos. Now you can change to see the contact photos right from these 3 dots, show contact photos or do not show contact photos. It's as simple as that. It's very necessary that the app gets more updates and gets on par with other ones. So far, this is what we get. This is the, well, sadly, top 3rd feature of this update, that you can turn on and off the contact photos straight from the Mail app. Now, another interesting thing is that if you have an Apple TV, then now you can use your phone to buy things on the Apple TV. So buy with iPhone on Apple TV is now an option, and on actually third-party devices. So if you have any other devices, you can use your iPhone to purchase different kind of TV shows or whatever you like with your iPhone. You'll get a separate prompt, you go through that, and then you can pay with your phone. It's pretty cool. Last but not least is a very cool little thing is that the iPhone 13 series is getting satellite connectivity, but not via hardware update. No, the iPhone 14, 15, and 16 series are capable of communicating with satellites. 13 is not. But now with T-Mobile, you have an option to sign up to their subscription and you will have satellite connectivity via their carrier, which is pretty cool. So iPhone 13 series, welcome to the satellite life. You'll have access always to satellite connectivity. That is a very, very big plus for older devices. There are some minor things that I wanted to mention. One is Face ID got a little bit of an improvement. So if you're wearing sunglasses or glasses, the Face ID authentication will be better, will be faster. Apart from this, if you would like to get live text, then now you have the option for Arabic and Thai languages. Also, battery health improvements came around this time with iOS 18.5, and if I look at my usage, so I go into battery over here and check my charging stats the last 10 days, you can see right now 3 hours screen active and 3 hours screen idle, and I'm still at 65%. That's pretty cool. That's actually an upgrade from iOS 18.4, which I consider a huge win. Now, if you look at my battery health, I've been running the betas. I've been running all of the test operating systems on this phone. My maximum capacity is down to 98% with a 218 cycle. My first use was in September, so I use my phone very, very frequently, charge it all the time, and this is how it looks. Now, if you want to upgrade to this operating system and you have an older phone, your battery life will vary depending on how you use it, but generally I say it is a better battery life than iOS 18.4. Apart from this, performance is great. They fixed something with the animations because the iPhone feels a lot more rapid. It feels a lot more responsive. I feel it with the animations, with opening application. It happens in a jiffy. Everything is smooth and silky. I have no complaints. By iOS 18.5, they really ironed out the bugs and I don't really see them anymore like in the beginning of iOS 18. So it's actually a quite pleasant operating system. With iOS 18.4, I had still many issues. If you're thinking of upgrading, this might be a great time because the bugs are ironed out and it's okay. So all in all, do I recommend upgrading to iOS 18.5? Absolutely yes. Go ahead, do it. There's nothing to lose. Your battery life will not suffer. Your performance will not suffer. And it's great on older devices as well. So iPhone 11, iPhone 12 series are also, actually iPhone XS is having iOS 18.5. So you can upgrade these phones. You will not see performance loss. You will not see battery life loss apart from the normal regular battery life degradation. All in all, I think it's a great operating system, and this is one of the last operating systems that comes in this design because the next one is iOS 18.6. That's just the final version of iOS 18, and then on June 9th, we arrive to iOS 19, which will be a totally new design. New things are coming, so say goodbye to this operating system the way this looks because we're getting something new, something interesting. If you want to find out more about these things, then check out my channel, subscribe, hit the like button, and check out the comment section below where we always have discussions about the latest happenings with Apple and everything technology. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.